Hey guys, Jason King here, helping online entrepreneurs build an online business. So, the number one problem I see with people today is not knowing how to build an opt-in funnel. Watch this video below to learn how to make awesome opt-in funnels for your online business. For the best online business tips and tricks, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell below to be notified for every video that I bring out on every Tuesday and Wednesday. So if you're confused about opt-in funnels and sales funnels and you can't figure out how to make them the correct way, don't worry about it. I'll have a 2-page PDF guide to show you step by step how to build the opt-in funnel for your online business. Step 1. You need a software like Lead Pages to create your opt-in funnel. Step 2. Get an automated email responder. I use MailChimp. It's free and it's easy to set up with Lead Pages. Step 3. Follow the step-by-step funnel guide that I'm going to give you. I'm also going to give you a walkthrough to show you how to set it up before you even download the guide.
Okay guys, like I said before, here's a quick tutorial on how to set up your online opt-in. Go through this real quick one more time. So when you come in here, you'll see the header option. And here you can hide this if you like. So all you have to do is press the I. The next thing you want to do is go to the background or the overlay image. And you'll see it where it says banner image. You'll click that. And you select one of the pictures that you have previously uploaded. I have all of my pictures already uploaded for you guys to see. So I just went ahead and selected a picture of myself. What it will do is once you click done, it'll click the overshadow in the background. The next thing you want to do is select the image that you want of yourself so people can see you to get to know, like, and trust. So click this image right here. And then you'll select the image of yourself and done. Once you press done, the image will pop up. The next thing you want to do is go to your call to action. Call to action right here. You'll click this little gear button and click link options. Once you click link options, you'll have the option to either show in the opt-in form. Then you can actually edit the text by turning it to download here. So for the video purpose, I won't be doing the whole entire funnel today. I'm just going to give a brief walkthrough. You can have your own templates or whatever you want to put on your funnel, and then you can go from there. So once you have all this done, basically your funnel is set up. The next thing you want to do is click the buttons to see what's going on. So now you'll have your integration of forms. And then you just click MailChimp. If you have MailChimp uploaded, it'll automatically come in and pop up on here. So it's certain things you might want to check out to do this MailChimp integration. I'll go through that in a second. And once you click OK, then it goes straight to your page. You'll go check your funnel out, look to see if it's responsive on all of the sites, and then save. And once you're done with that, your funnel is complete.
Step 4. Connect your opt-in funnel to your email autoresponder so that all your emails go out to your potential leads. Step 5, test, apply, and publish your new funnel. You have successfully created it, and now it's time to go to work. Comment below with follow-up questions about opt-in funnels, just in case you didn't understand how to make it, or just in case you have more questions about it. Let me know in the comments below. Now that you know exactly what to do and how to build an opt-in funnel, but wait, what happens when you do it yourself? No worries, guys. Just click the link below to download the 2-page opt-in funnel template guide so you can walk through it step by step by yourself. Also, if you want to join my Facebook community, please click the link below. We share online tips to help you grow your online business. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and comment below to let me know if this video helped you out.